All right. What's up, guys? Welcome to the first presentation for Truth Seekers. So basically, what I wanted to talk to you about today is decision and execution, like regarding ideas and how to move forward with ideas. Like, for example, you want to sell this small toothpaste. You gotta ask yourself a few questions and make a decision if you're gonna execute on that idea or not. So let's just dive right in. So what has helped me a lot in the past is actually just asking myself these simple 4 questions. Number 1, am I able to do it with excellence? Number 2, am I able to do it with speed? Number 3, does it cost a lot of time, energy, and attention? And number 4, do I have that time, energy, and attention? And if the answer is no to any of these questions, then just drop it and put it down in the drawer for later. Because if you can't do it with excellence and you can't do it with speed, and it does take a lot of time, energy, and attention, you can't be fully focused on it, and it will never work. So especially if you don't have the time, energy, or attention. So that's my main takeaway from, this is how I execute or make a decision about ideas. Me and my friend, especially him, he's always coming up with these new ideas. I had to be able to actually differentiate from the noise, and just asking myself if I would really be able to execute this idea. For example, like this toothpaste here, or whatever, if you want to sell this toothpaste, you gotta ask yourself these 4 questions, And if you don't have the time or energy, or you can't do it with excellence, or you can't do it with speed, then just put it in a drawer for later if you really like the idea. But my recommendation is just, if it's no, then just drop it and move on, because you gotta be able to test new things, new theses all the time. Especially if you're pre-10K a month. If you're not financially free, then you gotta be really, really careful about these types of things, because I'm talking from experience. I wasted a lot of time in the wrong projects, and I recently was talking to Luke Belmar. I actually met him here in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, where I'm actually currently staying right now. And he told me, if the business isn't serving you anymore, just pack it and just throw it away, bro. Because you're not married to the idea. You're not married to the business. This is not your wife we're talking about. So there's no need to be loyal here, because if the business is not serving you right, just drop it and move on to the next one. Because it's just trials and errors at this time. Just trial and error. And once you get boom, got the right idea, boom, you just go, man. I actually like this one, This has helped me a lot in the past, so let's move on. All right, yeah, but basically, yeah, this is a kind of short video, but this has saved me a ton of headaches. I wish I knew this sooner, because, right now we have this startup business, called Cupfeel, where we are gonna be revolutionizing the way we are gonna be consuming energy drinks. And we are 50K down in product development. We are 1 year into the product development phase, and we still don't have the prototype. So just talking from experience, it's really, it kind of gets to me, if seeing this project, put it back in the drawer, because this has been a huge part of our lives for many years. I think we have been trying to achieve this for 3 or 4 years. The last 2 years I've been really dedicated to this project, especially the one last year. The reason why is it so hard to actually execute an idea like this, because we don't have a lot of money to begin with. I know 50K is a lot, but if you put it down into 12 payments, it's not gonna be that much. So we are talking about maybe, I don't know, my math is kind of off. If we, for example, if we would just press pause on this thing and just start focusing on building our net worth and network, You know, for example, I'm a personal trainer. I'm in the best shape of my life. So, and now I'm gonna be focusing more on like building my personal branding. And then we go back to this one, you know. Personal brand. Am I able to do it with excellence? Hell yeah, man. Am I able to do it with speed? Fuck yeah. Does it cost a lot of time, energy, and attention? Yeah. Do I have the time? So I'm not gonna drop the personal branding. So we are just gonna go straight into the personal branding side of things. I'm gonna be doing these types of videos. I'm gonna try to do them daily. You know, if I'm being completely honest with myself, I'm gonna do it daily. Just these presentations, I'm gonna do the shorts, I'm gonna post on socials, you know, so let's just keep on keeping on, bro. You know? Like I said, you gotta be able to cut a part of yourself, like each time if you want to grow. And that's just part of being an entrepreneur, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut it short right now. I don't have like a lot to say, but the next one we're gonna go into fitness and mindset. That's my specialty. Yeah, I think it's just, yeah. Subscribe down below if you like this type of content, and let's kill it together, bro. Also, if you guys want to see something different or whatever, just comment down below and I will get to it, man, because this is my sole focus right now. I'm gonna be focusing on this one, and yeah, sorry, little bit of noise here in the hotel. You can see my wallpapers and shit. So, alright, catch you guys later. Thanks.